What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something different because I have another unboxing, and I apologize for looking down, but my dog's over here just looking at me, ready for a walk. Before we get the rest of the video started though, go ahead and hit that like, go ahead and comment, and subscribe to the channel as well. But today we're going to be unboxing the new Jordan 4s that I just picked up a few days ago on the SNKRS app. It was a shock drop, and I was fortunate enough to get them. So here they are. So let's see what they look like. Damn. So these are directly from the Nike SNKRS app, and that box looks beautiful. I know you guys can't really tell because the lighting is a little weird here. I'm not at my apartment, but that is the box. It's pretty cool. It has like glossy like paint drips, the yellow interior, and here are the shoes. These are gonna be these are the Jordan Retro 4 Thunders. These are actually supposed to release on May 13th. Again, I got them on a shock drop, which is kind of like their special little early access kind of deal. These are very nice, actually. Let me slide this over. These are pretty nice. They do have a little bit of dirt on them, but pretty clean. Overall, I do love the 4s. This is my second pair now. I do have the wolf gray ones, but I am one of those people that doesn't really wear my Jordans a whole lot, and I think I'm gonna start shifting to wearing them a little bit more. These are beautiful shoes though, by the way. I'm starting to become a big fan of yellow, and most of my wardrobe is black, to be honest. So adding a little bit of color to it is gonna be dope. Again, it does have a little bit of dirt on there from the factory or whatever, but no, these are pretty clean. It's not suede, it's nubuck, I think is what it's called, just nubuck. But I love it. I love the shoe. I wish it kind of had some sparkles right here, like the paint dripping, kind of how the box does, but in yellow. I think that would have been super dope on this one. The attention to detail is pretty dope though. I'm excited to rock these here soon. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. If you guys want to see a like try on video or like a get ready with me where I put a dope outfit with this, let me know. Hopefully this video makes sense because I've never done a shoe review. I know from trying on my other pair of 4s, they're super comfortable. So yeah, just let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. I'm gonna pull out this other bad boy. It's kind of what they look like. I don't know if that'll be like a good image here for us. Hopefully it is. But yeah, these are dope. These are freaking dope. So sorry, I'm very picky when it comes to new shoes. Normally if I was buying these at the store, I'd ask for a different pair that's not like smudged up or anything like that, but easy clean. It'll be easy cleaning on some of this stuff. And yeah, that's it for today's video though. I'm gonna do a short real quick on these, post it up, and then hopefully you guys like these shoes. Again, they drop again on May 13th is the actual release date, and they drop exactly at 8 a.m. so if you guys are interested in it, I've had the Nike SNKRS app downloaded for quite some time. I've bought a couple of my retros through here, And I think it's great because it sends you the notifications whenever something's about to drop. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and download that app. I would also suggest that you guys download just the regular Nike app, because they do have some members exclusive shoes that they drop on there as well, but they do go pretty quick. So currently right now I'm waiting to see if it'll be worth me getting a pair of the Nike Dunk Lows. These are pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see it there. I don't know if there's gonna be much glare, but I am gonna try and buy these as well. I know when they first released and I got the notification for it, I was gonna buy them right away, but something happened with the app where it was like just crashing on me. But either way, both pretty good apps to have if you're a sneakerhead. I am starting to invest a lot more in my shoes, so something like this is dope for the for like going out and dressing up a little bit more, because I have not done that in a bit. So yeah, go ahead, check those out, and I will catch you guys up on the next video.